Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to make another fat bomb.
This is just a chocolate fat bomb. Got your cocoa, coconut oil, little vanilla. I actually forget what else is in there, but it's really basic ingredients, super simple. You can make them in cookie or candy molds, which I do. I go to the craft store and buy gobs of candy molds. They're so easy. Do not put them in the dishwasher.
Wow, these are good.
Yeah, pop them in the freezer. These firm up in about 15 minutes. Keep them in the fridge, keep them in the freezer. And when do you eat fat bombs?
With the meal, right after the meal, as your dessert, to allow you to go between one meal to the next without snacking. Okay? So just try not to eat the whole thing.
They're good.
Yeah, really good. Just do one or two, okay, per meal. All right, let's show you how to make them.